The audio test will now begin. You have pressed the button when no tone was presented.